All right, we're getting Evelyn's opinion on how to handle long distance relationship, handling long distance relationship. So, Evelyn, what do you think?
I think a way to handling a long distance relationship is by communicating. You guys have to communicate frequently and all, because without communication, I don't think the relationship will last that long. So I think communication is the main key to long distance relationship. So you guys should always communicate often, like call him, call her, check on each other, know what you guys are up to, how your day went, and all. So that will give you a great bond. Even though you guys are far from each other, you have that bond. You guys won't actually feel the distance from the whole stuff. You feel it's something that, oh, okay, like I'm actually within, but you're actually far. So I think communication goes a long way in a long distance relationship.
I'm tempted to ask, have you been in a long distance relationship before?
Yeah, yes, I have. I
How
have.
long?
Like, oh, 2 years.
Are you
And
still in the
yes,
relationship?
I'm still in the relationship.
That's nice.
Thank you.
So how do you handle the sexual aspect? You know, the quality time, the, the holding, the touching. How do you deal with that?
This is actually crazy. You asking me this. I never saw this coming anyways. Wow.
Be honest.
Okay, fine, fine. Wow. You want me to say this? Uh yeah, you know, I don't have to say it, but now.
Just say it. You open it. It's a free
we
world. We are in 2024.
I
So
know.
how do you do it for people that want to get into long distance? You can tell them.
Oh my god. I swear to God, you're making me shy right now. I am so shy. I don't even know how to say it. Can we skip this one, please?
All right. Long distance relationship. Do you feel like you guys have a future together, like going forward? Maybe plan on, because you're dating. You should be dating to getting married. Do you feel like you have a future with him, regardless of the long distance relationship?
There's something my sis will say. She'll say, enjoy while it lasts. If it's something that will lead to marriage, fine. If along the line something happened and we didn't actually end up together or something, it's good. It's good. You can date someone for 5 years, 6 years, and you guys might end up going your separate ways. So I feel whatever it comes, fine. But hopefully, if it's going to lead to marriage, it's cool. It's fine. Perhaps I like him. We both like each other.
Well, I thought you should be loved.
Oh, we both love each other. I love, love, love him. Stop looking at me. You're making me shy.
All right. I'm sorry for making you shy, but it's nice getting your opinion on long distance relationship. It's all about communication. That's how Evelyn feels.
All right.
Nice talking with you. I appreciate you.
Nice talking to you, Ugo.
You're welcome. Have a blessed day.